before studying landing gear retraction system, we should learn and understand some details about hydraulic fluid system. Hydraulic system fluids are used to distribute and transform forces to some various unit to be actuated. They are able to do this because they are almost incompressible. Now, what are hydraulic system advantages? Hydraulic system has many advantages: lightweight, ease to installation, simplification of inspection, and low-cost maintenance requirement with small rate of leakage due to friction. Hydraulic fluids systems are 100% efficient with negligible of fluid loss due to friction. Hydraulic system characteristic. Hydraulic system characteristic, viscosity and chemical stability and the flash point and fire point. Viscosity is the most important characteristics of the hydraulic fluid system. Viscosity is considered internal resistance to flow. Viscosity is internal resistance to flow. A fluid with high viscosity flows very slowly, and fluids with low viscosity will flow very easy and very quickly. Chemical stability is ability of hydraulic fluid to resist oxidation and deterioration for long range period. Flash point is temperature in which the fluid gives off vapor in sufficient quantity and flash and ignite when flame is applied. Fire point is temperature at which the fluid gives off vapor